Let's talk about the derivative of y equals a to the power x. Now we know that a to the power x can be written in this form, e to the power ln of a to the power x. This is true for any number. So for any y, we can write it as e to the power ln of y. And from this one, we get this. So when we take the derivative, we can use the chain rule. So the derivative of the exponential function is itself times the derivative of inside. Derivative of x times ln of a is ln of a. So this expression was a to the power x, and this is ln a. So this is the derivative of a to the power x. Now let's look at the example. So let's take the derivative of this function. What is the derivative? X to the power pi. When we take the derivative, we get pi times x to the power pi minus 1. And for the second term, when we take the derivative, we get pi to the power x times ln of pi. Okay, so one is a power function, this is a power function, and this is an exponential function. Now we put x equals pi, which makes pi times pi to the power pi minus 1 minus pi times ln of pi. Pi times pi to the power pi times ln of pi. So from this we get pi to the power pi 1 minus ln of pi. Now this term is always positive because it's like this is something like 3 to the power 3, right? And for the second term, ln of pi, what is ln of pi? Ln of pi, pi is something like 3.14, right? And this is greater than ln of e. Why? Because e is like 271 something. So this is 1, which means ln of pi is greater than 1, which means the second expression is negative. So the derivative is less than 0. So if the derivative is less than 0, that means the tangent line has negative slope.